what ways are people actually making money from in 2025? I come across this particular topic online, and guess what? I am going to share with you people's comments, and you might actually get one or two ideas from all of these comments. You might want to try out any of those business ideas, and I personally is going to share my own experience and what is actually working for me as well in 2025. And if you also have your own idea that is working for you right now that is not mentioned in the video, please let us know in the comment section. Please and please, we are begging. We are here to help each other after all. Now let's dive into this video and let me share with you people's comments on this topic, guys. It's going to inspire you. Now let's dive in and let's go and read those comments. So the first person said, for me, these are working well. Self-publishing books on Amazon KDP. 2. Selling digital products and affiliate marketing. These are one of the famous ways of making money online. Okay, for books, I run Amazon ad. For affiliate products and digital products, I get organic sales via sharing content on my blog, YouTube, and Medium page. This is a very good idea. What do you think about this? Lesson said, what's worked for me is productized service. Give an example of poster. It is personalized based on what the customer wants, right? Okay, you make a couple sample and post it as an example, and you get customer. I think that's a very good idea. Yeah, you can actually use AI to for graphic design. I mean, to get different designs. Yeah, that's a very good idea. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Another person said writing books. I write novel too, but it's a web story platform. But maybe writing books and posting them, I mean, and putting them up for sale on Amazon KDP platform. You can try it out as well if that is of your interest. So this person said affiliate marketing and blogging. Yeah. That person said voice cloning via 11 Lab. Yeah, that's a very good idea too. This person said there are few things you can do. POD, which is print on demand, digital marketing, selling digital products can help you make money in your sleep. That's actually true. That's actually true. Everything that has to do with online, making money online legitimately, it actually takes time. But it's you are going to enjoy it at the long run. This person said voice cloning is the only side hustle that is currently working for me. 450 plus USD per month, fully passive. I also heard a bit selling a guide that explained how to do it, and now I realize a free guide will help people getting started. Another person said, I have been making a good amount putting ebook online for sale. Figure it will be hard, but by God, I'm actually selling some of these things. Almost 30 days and I have made $366. My story are still in store and are selling, so I could totally see this scaling. So the selling of ebooks, like even if it's short story, you can. So this person said, digital products and contents. Yeah, that is what I'm doing too. Another person said, what is working for me in 2025 is using AI to speed up things, but still adding my own voice. Yeah, okay, that's a good idea, but we did not see any skill here. Person said remote job. Someone has, you know, who is hiring. CPM arbitrage is the easiest and most fast money you can do. Buy 1K views for $0.4 and instantly sell it for $2 and more. It is $50 to $100 every day. I've never done that and I do not even know how to do that. So have you ever heard of this? Let us know in the comment section. This person said, I did start making money online with online surveys, and there is still one I am keep using on to this day. Another person said TikTok shop selling stuffs online. Another person said sell your hobby. Yeah, what you love to do, sell them. Yeah, that's actually good. What is working for me right now is digital marketing, affiliate marketing, ghostwriting, that's writing of stories and content. That is all about this. Let me know in the comment section what is your own idea. What are you doing in 2025 that is making you money online? And please share with us. Which one are you going to be trying out if you don't have anyone you are doing currently? Bye. See you in the next one. I do take care of yourself.